The Last Machine. A story of failure and success. The hollow chime of the bell no longer promised customers, only more bills Elias couldn't pay. Standing in his failing hardware shop, the foreclosure notice in his hand felt like a final verdict. He had lost. As he packed the remnants of his father's legacy in a leaden cloak of sadness, an old man returned a hammer. "Your father was a wizard with his hands," he rasped, mentioning a repaired music box. After he left, the words echoed in the silence. Drawn to a drawer of discarded parts. Elias found a rusted gear and a tiny mainspring. With greasy, fumbling hands, he began to connect them, not for profit, but for the memory of the craft. Hours later, his nonsensical machine whirred to life. Click, click, click. It was useless, fragile. But as he watched its stubborn beat, a profound shift occurred. The shop was lost, but he wasn't. He had taken broken things and given them motion. Success wasn't the absence of failure. It was the piece of himself he salvaged from it. And in the quiet, that felt like victory.